switch it turns the circuit on and off. Resistor 100, it limits the current in the circuit. LED red, it lights up to indicate power or activity. Now, let's see how these modules control the circuit. First, the forever block keeps the program looping nonstop. The digital right pin is an electronic switch that turns PO on or off. Setting PO to 1 turns the light on. Setting PO to 0 turns the light off. The pause block makes the program wait, deciding how long the light stays on or off. Together, these blocks make the light blink in your custom rhythm. Now let's see it in action. By changing these numbers, you can make the LED blink faster or slower. Try changing them and see how the little light dances.